So now we're going to be dealing with really large numbers. And the key concept to understand this, there's two of them. First one is that the further you end up going into that direction, the larger the number becomes. And then also this idea that when you have these commas here, they're really important placeholders. And we'll get into what that means in a second. So every 3 digits are separated by a comma, and the 3 group digits share a name, such as millions, and we see the name up here, ones, those are the ones we're most used to dealing with, thousands, millions, billions, and then trillions. And if we kept on going, we'd have quadrillions, quintillions, and all those numbers like that. Really very, very, very large numbers. But they're all grouped together in sets of 3. Now, if you look down here, there's this clear pattern. See that it goes ones, then tens, then hundreds. And that's the same over here. And the same over here, the same over here, the same over here. Now, we just go ahead and if we have a number that is in this column here, that's in the 1,000s column, so that column right there. It's in the 1,000s column. If I have a number that's in here, that's in the 10 billions column. So, let's talk about this a little bit in terms of the examples here. Very large numbers you use to count things like heartbeats. That's the example that they have in the book. 1,000 heartbeats in less than 20 minutes. 1,000,000 heartbeats in less than 2 weeks. And yes, 1 billion heartbeats in about 35 years. That means for me, I have about, hopefully at least, my heart is beating probably about 1 billion times, and a little bit over that. So Google is a really large number, and that's a 1 followed by 100 zeros. And you could tell this number here, this number, the Google, it's a huge number, but it would be even harder to comprehend without all those commas there, because it would be hard to differentiate between the two, between the different numbers. So if I have a number like this, okay, I have a number like that, those commas, again, are key to providing the breaks to make sure it makes sense. So in this case here, this number would be red, and we start at the left-hand side. Start with the largest number, so we start here, and we recognize, well, we're moving over 1 comma and then 2 commas. So this is going to be 3 million, and then we look at the next step. We know we're in the thousands, so it's 246,000, and then 821, and that's all there is.